Hello friends, this video on lines and angles part 12 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Let's take one more numerical. AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. So we know that AB is parallel to CD is parallel to EF. All these three are parallel to each other because of the parallel line theorem which we had, right? So AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, then AB will also be parallel to EF. All three lines are parallel. Also, EA is perpendicular to AB. EA is perpendicular to AB. This is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Corresponding angles. BEF is 55. BEF 55 degree. Okay. Find the value of x, y, z. See, finding the value of z is pretty easy. We know that since this is 90 degree, this angle has to be 90 degree. Right, this whole thing, because this plus this will be 180 degree. So I can write at angle BAC plus angle FEC has to be 180 degree co-interior angle. So BAC is what? 90 degree plus angle FEC is what? FEC is what? Z plus 55 degree. Z plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. So you solve this, you get Z is equal to 35 degree. One part is solved. Okay. Next is let's find value of Y. Z is given. If you see this angle, if you see this triangle now, I have to find Y. See this triangle. Z is given, C is given. This angle is given 90. I can easily find this angle. Okay. Let this be angle 1. So angle, let me write this in triangle CDE, okay, angle DCE, all the sum of the three angle plus angle CED plus angle EDC, 180 degree. So DC is what? 90 degree plus angle CED was, that is Z, that is 35 degree given. Plus angle EDC is what? EDC is angle 1 and that is 180 degree. So you solve that angle 1 is what? 180 degree minus 90 minus 35. Okay. Minus 55 degree. So angle 1 is 55 degree. So now we know that angle 1 plus angle Y is what? 180 degree, linear pair. So I can easily find angle Y. 180 degree minus angle 1, that is 55 degree, that is 125 degree. We know angle X is equal to angle Y. Why? Because these lines are parallel and this is our corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. So I can say that angle X is equal to angle Y, that is 125 degree. So I found angle X, I found angle Y, I found angle Z. All the values I could easily find. There's so many ways to solve this. Use any of these way. Pause this question, try to solve these questions in different ways, so that you get comfortable in solving these kind of questions. Let's take some more examples. Find the value of x and y and then show that AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD is not given. We have to find the value of x and y first. So if you see y will be 130 degree, directly I can write vertical opposite angle. And x will be what? 130 degree. Why? X plus y is 180 degree. Linear angle. So let me first write this. Angle x plus angle, this one, let put this value, this is O and this is O dash, let's suppose, right? And this is BCD, this is E and this is F. So let me first give this AOE plus angle AO dash is equal to 180 degree, linear pair. So AOE is what? 50 degree. Plus AO dash is x equal to 180 degree. So x is what? 130 degree. I can just write for plain English. Same thing here. So D O dash O, angle D O dash O is equal to angle, this one C O dash F. Why? Vertical opposite angle. So this is Y is equal to 130 degrees. So I found the value of X and Y. Done. Then we have to prove AB is parallel to CD. If AB is parallel to CD, we have to show some alternate angle or corresponding angles. So let's see what we can do. Right? So we see that X and Y, both the values are same. Right? So angle X is equal to angle Y, and they are what? Alternate angles. Right? And alternate angles are same. That means we can say that using alternate angle converse theorem, AB is parallel to CD. Pretty easy. Right? See, if you see this angle and this angle are alternate angle and they are same, since they are same, then using the alternate angle converse theorem, we can say that AB is parallel to CD. Next question. AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF, all three lines are parallel. Y by Z is 3 by 7, 5y. Y by Z is 3 by 7, Y by Z is 3 by 7, find the value of X. Okay, note that this is Y, this is also Y. I'm just trying to solve on my brain, then we can write plain English. Okay, and Y by Z is 3 by 7. So let Y is equal to 3a and Z will be what? 7a. Okay, Y by Z is 3 by 7. Now if you see Y plus Z is what? This Y plus Z. 180 degree. Let me solve it here first. Right? Interior angles, co-interior angles. That is nothing but 3a plus 7a is equal to 180 degree. And with that, a is equal to 18 degree. And y is 3 into 18 degree, that is 54 degree. And z is 7 into 18 degree, that is 126 degree. So we have got the value of y and z. Since we have got the value of y and z, we can easily find the value of x. X plus y is also 180 degree. In fact, x and z are alternate angles. So x is equal to z, and that is nothing but 126 degree. So you see, we can easily find the value of these. Now we can write things in plain English with all the rules. We have found the value, so we can actually write in plain English that okay, this angle is equal to this angle, vertical opposite angle, this angle plus this angle, this angle alternate angle, this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree, because they are corresponding angles. So those things we can actually write in plain English. So I'll leave it up to you, you can write that. But from a concept perspective, first try to solve these questions in rough, any geometric question, and then write plain English terms, so that the teacher who is trying to check your question can understand what you have written. Okay, so let's take one more example. AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. EF is perpendicular to CD. This is 90, this is also 90. GED is 126 degree. GED is 126. So this is 90. This is whole thing is 126 degree. Okay. So this will be how much? You can just make out 36 degree. Find angle AGE. AGE. This angle I have to find. GEF. GEF. I already found. FGE. FGE. So I found. If I find this angle, I can easily find this angle. Both are complementary, right? Supplementary. So if this is 36, this is 90, then I can say that in this triangle, we don't need much actually. This is 90, this is 36, and this is G, this is F, and this is E. So angle FGE plus, and let this be angle 1. So angle 1 plus 90 plus 36 is equal to 180 degree. So with this, if you solve, angle 1 will come out to be 54 degree. This is 54 degree. So if this is 54 degree, 54 degree plus this is 180 degree. So this comes out to be 126 degree. So I have found the solution for all these. Now I can just write in plain English. Okay. Since this was 90, this was also 90. Why? Because they are parallel lines. Plus angle GEF plus angle GFE is equal to 180 degree. So you can see that FGE plus angle GEF we know is 36 degree plus GFE is 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle FGE comes out to be what? 54 degree. So you can write all these words in English, but typically we have solved this question. Okay. Thank you. Visit our website examfear.com to watch more and more quality education videos. You can also attempt free online tests that are there in our website. You can also get access to tons of free study materials, and you can also find free tutors and mentors in this website. Thanks a lot for watching.